So this is the outside. It's the Magnolia Bird Farm, like I was saying. All your supplies you need, all your supplies, come here. Located in Riverside, California. Magnolia Bird Farm. The spray. See, another spray by the single or by the bag. 6 pounds, another spray. Or you can buy it individually. Here we have all the food you could think of. Anywhere from Finch to small Finch bags. So as you can see, this is the bag I get, but I don't get it in that size. I get the 50-pound bag. Usually it's down here, but they don't have them. So we're gonna go to the warehouse where they have all the food at. I just wanted to show you some food. Canary. And all the way down. And of course, we got breeding material. As you can see, what I use for the GOULDIANs. You can look at wood chips if you need that. Shavings. Alright, everybody asks me about my dry greens. This is where I get them at. I get that big bag. Some ingredient material. Importantly is the egg food for the GOULDIANs. They have it here, as you can see. And as you can see, we have different type style nest boxes. I usually get these. As you can see, that's $7. So this is my style right here. This one is the one. But it's expensive. They're $14, $14.50 a box. These are the ones we prefer. So just wanted to show you all the nests that they have. We got the massive parrots. We got the boxes right here again. Different type of water things. Yeah, you can buy it individually. So you've got different type of water feeders, food feeders, cups. They got it all here. $2 on this side. Stainless steels. Very cool. You got birds that eat mealworms. They got them here too. Mealworms. Show you, see? Mealworms. Whenever birds eat insects, they got it here too. Look, we got more cages. Yeah. More cages. More cages, more cages. This is my favorite one here because it has a divider. I have this one at home. See? Look at that price. Woo. Price egg. It's a nice cage. Excuse me, nice cage. More cages, more cages. These are good cages.
Well, first running dry. I didn't.
More cages. Yeah, perching sticks. Some more feeders. Holders if you need carriers. More. All right, so we're gonna make our way to the outdoor aviaries. Check this out. Ooh, nice setup. Love it. It's over here. There's a pigeon. Believe it or not, this guy here is a pigeon. Come get this finger. Oh yeah, come get that finger. Hey baby, how you doing? See, it doesn't hurt. Don't think it hurts because it does. Oh. He is a, let's go find out again. Crown pigeon, and female worth $2,500. I'll just go get me a new car for that. Fuck that. Excuse my language, I ain't doing that. But this is what they got in here. Some blue yellow tanagers, pintails, Napoleons. See if they don't get too shy and fly away. There they are. See if I can zoom in. Hold on. I think he's the blue yellow tanager. Tanager, I think they call them. Blue-gray tanager. See a bunch of little birds. Very nice. Wow. Place is huge. Beautiful. As you can see, you got everything here. And they're way over there. Beautiful. And singers. goldfinches. European guy. Beautiful. So cute. Wow. There you go. You want to know the prices, surgical sections. Yeah, this beautiful bird. There you go. Some of them are. Wow. Beautiful birds, beautiful birds. The green Indian ringneck and the beard-eye cockatoo. Hey guys, what's up? Hi. What's up, beautiful? How you doing? Huh? Hello. Can you talk? Can you talk? You got, oh, look at these guys. These are pretty cool. Right there. Look at these guys. Pretty cool, huh? I thought so. Some Australian crest doves, and yeah, that's what we have in here. An Australian pigeon dove, crest dove. Pretty cool. What's up, guys? To get these guys, they're not for sale, but I had to show you them. Look at that red on them, wow. Beautiful birds. Yeah. So this is the Outdoor Avery. Just wanted to show you guys. Magnolia Bird Farm. Plenty of videos out there about this place. So for my subscribers, if you don't know about it, now you know. Located in Riverside, California. We're gonna make our way to the warehouse. Use supplies. They come in handy if you don't have money. Alright, this little section here, you got all the mesh you need. If you want to build your own aviaries, they got all the prices right here. Different gauge size, you know, so if you need an inch or 2 inch gauge, they have them here. You see the prices. Which one do you want? And they got some right here. Over here, they got used cages. A lot cheaper than buying them brand new. So if you can't afford them brand new at the moment, you want some used cages, this is the place to come. I come here and get my cages too, like this one. Not bad for $210. This big one here. So I have the money. Actually, I don't have the money. I have enough cages. I don't need it, but if I had the space, I would. Okay, as you can see, this is the warehouse part where it is and where all the food is at. So they break all the food down here, whatever size you want. But this is the warehouse. I don't know any other places that sell Lady GOULDIAN finch mix specifically, like buying it like that. This is the only place I know that you could buy Lady GOULDIAN finch mix and any other bird. This place specifies that this the right type of bird for you.